Hello, good evening, all of you.
Good evening, sir.
So, how many questions completed? MCQ questions? Anirudh?
We finished 49.
40?
9.
Yeah, 49 completed. Okay, then see 50, question number 50. If the standard electrode potential of copper electrode is 0.34 volt, what is the electrode potential at 0.01 m concentration of Cu2 plus? Okay, concentration of electrode is given and E0 cell also given. We have to calculate E cell. What is Nernst equation? Nernst equation formula?
E0 cell minus
E cell. E cell is equal to E0 cell minus
E0 0.05
0.59 by N log of here
log
single
of
is given. Yeah.
Anode by cathode.
Okay, here anode is not given. Only one electrode is given. However, you
1 by
cathode 1 by.
1 by.
I will write equation. You will get clarity. Equation is Cu2 plus gaining 2 electron. It becomes Cu. We have to write this concentration by this. But however, copper is pure metal. Now this is. So we are taking its concentration one. Left is this Cu2 plus. So now substitute in this formula. E cell is equal to E0 cell is 0.34 minus 0.059 by 2 log of concentration is 0.01 m.
which question is it?
Question number
50.
50. 0.01 m. Okay, this is only. So this one we may write 10 power minus 2. If it is going up, 10 power plus 2. 0.34 minus 0.059 by 2 log of 10 power minus 2. Here this value is 1 into 10 power minus 2. Sorry, it become plus 2. 0.34 minus 0.059 by 2 log 10 power 2 is 2 only. 2 into log 10 will come. So log 10 value is 1. We know that. So here only 2 is left. 0.34 minus 0.059. This cancel. Log 10 is 1. Subtract 0.34 minus 0.059.
Sir, this is not 50 questions, sir.
Yeah, question number 50.
No, sir. Number 15 is different.
Sir, question number 50 is different, sir. This is not question 50.
What is question 50? Yeah, is it 50
Sir,
only?
sir, the rate constant K dash of one of the reaction is found to be double.
Stop. Yes, we are. Sorry, ma. You are doing electrochemistry. I am seeing the question. Sorry. Yeah, 50. This is the right rate constant. It's completed, no? 50
Yes, sir, it is
completed. 50 completed. Now see 51. Which of the following statement is incorrect about the collision theory of chemical reaction? See option A. It consider reactant molecules or atoms to be hot spheres and ignore their structural features. Yeah.
Sir,
That
option
collision
C is
theory
correct.
A is okay. B is number of effective collision determines the rate of a reaction. Yes, that's also fine. Collision of atoms or molecule possessing sufficient threshold energy results into the product formation. No, option C is only incorrect statement because only energy is not sufficient according to collision theory. They require proper orientation also. So option C only incorrect statement. Choose option C. Next C52. For the decomposition of N2O5 at a particular temperature according to the equation. The two equations are given. 2N2O5 gives rise 4NO2 plus O2. N2O5 gives rise 2NO2 plus O2. Both are same reactions, right? Only number of moles is different. Okay, the activation energies are E1 and E2 respectively. Then, what is the relationship between activation energy E1 and E2? See, same chemical reaction. Temperature also we are maintaining same. Activation energy also must be same, no doubt. So, option D is correct. So, write their answer. At same temperature, reaction maintains same activation energy. Option D is correct. Okay, next 53. If the reaction rate at a given temperature becomes slower than, becomes slower than, when it becomes slower. The free energy of activation is higher. Yes, if activation energy is higher means rate of reaction becomes slower. Option A is correct, mother. If higher the activation energy, lower the rate of a reaction. This means speed of a reaction is decreases if higher the activation energy. Okay, next question. Uh, 54. In a Arrhenius equation, K is equal to A into e power minus A by RT. A may be called the rate constant at very low temperature, zero activation energy, the boiling temperature of a reaction mixture, the boiling temperature of, okay, all of the above. So when K becomes A, when K becomes A, suppose activation energy is 0, formula is K is equal
Sir,
to
is
A
it
into,
option B, sir?
1 minute, option, yeah, I think. So if activation energy is 0, K is equal to A into e power 0 by RT. E power 0 is how much? Nothing. 0 by RT means 0 only. Anything power 0, 1. So K is equal to A. Option B is correct. Next question. The rate of a reaction quadruples when the temperature changes from 293 Kelvin to 313 Kelvin. Calculate the energy of activation of a reaction, assuming that it does not change with temperature. I think this question I gave in your notebooks. What is correct option? Check your notebooks and tell. 52.863 maybe. Yeah, option D is correct. Which formula we have to use? Rachna? To solve question number 55, which formula we have to use? Harsh? Or Tejaswini? To solve question number 55, which formula we have to use?
Log K2 by K1 is equal
Ah,
to EA by 2.303 into R.
yes,
T2 minus T1 by T1 T2.
very good. Yes, that formula we have to use to calculate activation energy. Fine. Next, 56. The decomposition of A into product has a value of K as 4.5 into 10 power 3 second inverse at 10 degrees centigrade. And the energy of activation 60 kilojoule per mole. At what temperature would K be? Would K becomes 1.5 into 10 power 4 second inverse. So same formula we have to use, but we have to calculate temperature now. Here K is given 4.5 into 10 power 3 second inverse at 10 degrees centigrade. Suppose you consider the K1. And the energy of activation is given 60 kilojoule per mole. Okay, later I will write. At what temperature would be K is 1.5? Okay, K2 becomes 1.5 into 10 power 4 second inverse. Temperature we have to calculate here. This is a T1, this is T2 we have to calculate. Activation energy is 60 kilojoule per mole. So now apply formula. Log of K2 by K1 equal to EA by 2.30 R log of T2 minus T1. Instead of that, write 1 by T1 minus 1 by T2. Yeah. Log K2 value 1.5 into 10 power 4. So write as 15 into 10 power 3 divided by this is 4.5 into 10 power 3. Activation energy 60. 60 into 10 power 3 joule per mole. Here 2.303, 8.314. 1 by 10 degrees centigrade, convert into kelvins. 1 by 283 minus 1 by T2. Hmm, 15 divided by 1.4. 4.5. 3.33. So log of 3.33. This is 0.522. $3,133.6 1 by 283 minus 1 by T2. $0.166 366 into 10 power minus 3 equal to 1 by 283 minus 1 by T2. This is 3.53 to 10 power minus 3 minus 1 by T2. Take this side. Ten power 3 common. Zero point 1366 3.53 equal to minus 1 by T2. T2 is equal to 1 divided by 3.366 into 10 power minus 3. This comes 297 kelvins. So answer is B, 24.19 degrees centigrade. So 24.19 plus add 273. So approximately we are getting 297. So option B is correct. Okay, see now 57 question number. the rate constant of the chemical reaction doubled for an increasing of 10 K in absolute temperature from 295 K. Calculate activation energy. Rate constant of a chemical doubled, okay. Same formula we have to use. Temperatures 295 K and 305. See here, reaction rate constant of chemical reaction double. So here we have formula log of K2 by K1 value becomes 2 equal to A by 2.303. T2 is 305 minus 295 divided by 305 into 295. Here we have to calculate K2 by K1 value is given 2 because rate of reaction is doubled by increasing 10 degrees centigrade. So here log 2, sorry, here R is missing. This is 10 divided by multiple 305 into 295. Activation energy is equal to log 2 value is 0.3010 to 2.303, 8.314, 305 to 295 divided by 10. So answer is 51,855. .855 kilojoules. Yeah, option A is correct. Okay, next see 58th question. The activation energy for the given reaction 2HI gives rise H2 plus I2 is 209.5 kilojoule per mole at 581 Kelvin. Calculate the fraction of molecules of reactant having energy equal to or greater than activation energy. Okay, they're given activation energy, so we have to calculate how much fraction of molecules which possess this much activation energy, 209.5 kilojoule per mole. Okay, we have formula Arrhenius equation K is equal to question number 58 A into e power minus EA by RT. So in this equation, e power minus EA by RT refers the fraction of molecules which having activation equal to this activation energy or more than this activation energy. So RT above equation e power minus EA by RT refers fraction of molecules possess activation energy or more than that value. Equal to activation energy or more than this activation energy. So that means fraction of molecules you take X or N by N also you may take E by N instead of that equal to minus EA by RT. So substitute here. X, okay, log X equal to log, apply for this one also log. So e power 1 on this, we get minus EA by RT. Log X is equal to activation energy is given is 209.5 kilojoules. So 10 power 3 by R value 8.314. Temperature is 581. Calculate this value and follow up inverse logarithm. Minus. Apply log X, it will become, okay, we have to apply actually ln. Okay, no problem. If you write here 2.303, it will be fine. Here also. Log X is equal to minus 18.83. Then X is equal to log inverse minus 18.83. Answer is 10 power 0.17 is 1.471. This much fraction. Option B is correct. See, next question number 59. The rate constant of a reaction increases by 5% when its temperature is raised from 27 degrees centigrade to 28 degrees centigrade. Just by increasing 1 degree centigrade, rate of reaction is increased 5%. The activation energy of the reaction is so known formula. (59) log of K2 by K1 equal to EA by 2.303 R T2 minus T1 by T1 T2. Okay, here 5% is increased. That means I am writing here K1 I am taking 100. 5% increase means it becomes 105, right? K1 is 100, K2 become 105. Activation energy we need to calculate. 2.303 into R value 8.314. T2 minus T1. It's 28 degrees centigrade. So, okay, it's 1 only. Difference is coming 1 divided by T1, T2. Now write in kelvins. 28 degrees centigrade. 27 means 300, 2301. 301 into 300. Log 105 by 100. Zero point 0.021 to 19.15 to 90,300. Answer is 36,314 joules or 36.314 kilojoules. So approximately option A is correct. Okay, see next question number, last one, 60. The activation energy of a reaction is 9 kilocalories. Okay, now given in calories. So the increase in the rate constant when its temperature is raised from 295 Kelvin to 300 Kelvin is approximately, okay. Same, this formula only we have to use. But now it's given in temperatures are different. Activation energy is given 9 kilocalories. So we have to calculate log K2 by K1. Activation energy 9 kilocalories. So 9,000 calories divided by 2.303. R value now we have to write in calories. So simply 2 instead of 8.314, it is in calories now. So 2 here. Next T2 300, T1 295. 300 into 295. This is 9,000 divided by 4.606. 5 divided by 300 into 295. 2 zeros here. 30. One by 5, 9. This is 0.1103. K2 by K1 is equal to log inverse 0.1103. So its value is 1.288. This is K2 by K1 value. Okay. So now answer is so when its temperature is raised from 295 to 300 Kelvin is approximately the activation energy of, okay. The increase in the rate constant. How much rate constant is increased? Suppose K1 is, you consider 1. Suppose K1 is 1. K2 becomes how much? So just subtract from this value 1. It becomes 0.288. So the amount of percentage increase the rate constant is 28%, 28.8%. So option is D is correct. Increased rate is 28.8%. So option D is correct.
sir.
Yes.
Sir, you said
Completed?
that yes, sir.
Okay. I will give you questions for Tuesday exam. Note down.
Sir, questions for what, sir?
Tuesday exam, chemical kinetics.
So, is it descriptive or what,
Yeah,
sir?
yeah. Descriptive. Concept.
Sir,
Question
only
and answer.
those questions, sir.
Yeah. 13 questions I will give, 30 marks. So
Okay.
like in previous exam, you have to attempt all the questions. But here, some questions are there in textbook. Even I also explained your notebook. But few questions you have to solve yourself.
Okay, sir. Sir, 13 questions, sir.
Yeah, 1-3. They're all 1 mark, 2 mark, 3 marks also involved. Okay, first right. 1 mark question these are. Okay, define the following. First question. A. Rate of a reaction. B. Order of a reaction. C. Effective collision. D. Activation energy of a reaction. E. Rate law. Each definition 1 mark, total 5 marks. Okay, next write 2 more questions. Completed this one? Hello? Banu? Harsh?
Sir, completed,
Completed
sir.
this? Okay.
Yes,
Now
sir.
write 2 more questions. Question number I'm giving 2. A reaction is of a second order with respect to a reactant. How will the rate of reaction be affected if the concentration of this reactant is here again 1 doubled, second one reduce it to half. Next question. A reaction is of first order a reaction is first order with respect to A. And of second order with respect to B. How is the rate of this reaction
Sir, is this test
affected?
during the chemistry class, sir?
No, ma, I will give separate time. Tuesday you have only one class, right? That is also chemistry.
Yes.
So before class you have to write exam. Reaction effect.
Tuesday we have 2 classes, sir.
Tuesday, which classes?
Chemistry and math.
Chemistry and bias. Okay, we'll see. Later I will change timing then.
Okay, sir.
Effect when, yeah, again one is the concentration of B alone is increased to 3 times. Second, the concentration of A as well as B are doubled. Next question. The rate constant of a zero order reaction is zero point 0030 mole liter inverse second inverse. How long will it take for the initial concentration of A initial concentration of A to fall from zero point 0.1 m to 0.075 m.
Sir,
Tell me.
sir, this question is for how many marks, sir?
2 marks questions. 2, 3, 4 all are 2 mark questions.
Okay, sir.
First one is 1 mark, but the total 5 definitions, 5 marks. Question is big only, but answer is only 3 steps or 4, maximum 4 steps. Completed? Okay, I'll write here 5th question. Show that in a first order reaction, time required for completion of time required for completion of 99.9% is 10 times of half-life of the reaction. Next, 6th question. What is pseudo first order reaction and give example? Second one, define elementary reaction and complex reaction. So these are 2 mark questions. Right, next question. Derive integrated rate equation of first order reaction. Give graph between log of R0 by R and T. Next, the rate of the chemical reaction double. The rate of chemical reaction double for an increase of ten Kelvin in absolute temperature from 298 Kelvin. Calculate activation energy. I think this question just now I explained. In JE question, this is question number 57. This is the 8th one. Next, 9th question. Explain the effect of catalyst on rate of a reaction with graph. Explain the effect of catalyst. On rate of a chemical reaction. The graph, but this having only one mark, complete in 2 to 3 lines and graph. This 1. 2 is the right difference between order and molecularity. This is 2 marks. Minimum, you need to write 4 difference between order and molecularity. Next question. We'll write up top. Place is not sufficient. The first order reaction has a rate constant of rate constant of 0.0051 minute inverse. If we begin with 0.1 m concentration of the reactant, what concentration of reactant will remain in solution after 3 hours. After 3 hours. Last question. A first order reaction.
This is last question, sir.
Yeah. Takes 20 minutes for 25% decomposition. Calculate the time when 75% of the reaction will be complete. Will be completed. Bracket given log 2 0.3010 log 3 0.477 log 4, you know, log 4 0.6021. It's completed.
Yes, sir.
All of you. Lakshmi, Tejashwini, Likita and Rachana.
Yes, sir. Complete.
Completed.
Done, sir.
Sainika. Sainika.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Banu. Harsh. Anirudh.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sanchit. Chirag.
Done, sir.
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
See here, first question is 5 marks. Then 2 to 6. Each carries 2 marks. Then 7 to 11, 3 marks. So almost 90% of concepts covered here. Only few definitions are left in the chapter. So if you have clear command on these questions, even these 11 questions, no doubt in final examination also you can give better. So prepare this question. If you have any doubts, ask me on. Oh, I don't have a Monday class. A minute. Yes, Monday I don't have class. Okay, however, solve these all questions. A few new questions are there. Try to solve those questions. Tuesday I'll conduct test. Monday I will give you time. I will tell you what is the timing for examination. Okay, guys, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.